Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Supergeek and today we'll be talking about the Android 11's new developer preview which Google released recently. And what's surprising is that this new developer preview is not supported by the first generation Pixel devices. So if you own a newer generation of Pixel devices, you can install it on your phone and give it a try. But before trying that on your phone, let me give you all the features list and the bug list so you know what you're getting into. So stay tuned. So let's start from the user interface itself. And as you can tell from the very start that there are no visual changes in this build of Android 11, but there might be some when the later builds will be coming out. But right now there are no changes in the home screen, settings or the notification area. But there are some additions which we all been waiting for since very long, and Google is finally listening to us and bringing us those features which we needed since very long. So the first one on the very top of my mind I can tell you about is the native screen recorder app. So every other smartphone manufacturer which makes their own user interface for their smartphone brings a native screen recorder for their smartphone, but now Google is making their own screen recorder for Android 11. So you will get this toggle on the notification settings so you can start recording your screen. There are no settings or any toolbar which gives you more settings to this new screen recorder. There might be some settings in the future in the later build of the Android 11 where you might see some features or some settings for the native screen recorder, like changing the quality or changing the frame rate of the screen recording. So the second most important feature to tell you about is that Bubble API is working perfectly fine in this Android 11 build. And as you can see here that I can open this chat in a small bubble so it won't distract me from what I'm currently doing. This chat will be minimized in a small bubble, so I can bring it up wherever I want to, just tap on the bubble and the chat will be appear in a floating manner. So I can chat from there and minimize it right back to the bubble whenever I want. I cannot show you that procedure here because it freezes the user interface, so I cannot show you that completely. But as you can see here, I can open any chat in a bubble and I can interact with the bubble. I can dismiss the bubble as well. So if you're done with the chat, you can dismiss the bubble. You can also disable this chat feature for any particular app if you want to. So Google's been focusing on the privacy thing really aggressively, and now we have some new features in the permission settings. So you get this new ask every time option. So the app will ask your permission every single time you launch that app. So this next feature is again a really nice feature and I've been waiting for this since very long. So it's called Freeform Windows, and as the title suggests, you can run your apps in a small pop-up windows. This is a new feature in the developer options. We might not see this feature in the final build of Android 11, but Google's been working on it and we soon be able to run apps in a pop-up view. There's one more nice feature which Google added in the Android 11 build is that Bluetooth devices will stay connected to the phone even if you put your phone in the airplane mode, which is really nice and convenient. So every time you put your phone in airplane mode, the Bluetooth will stay connected and you don't have to just turn your Bluetooth on after putting your phone on airplane mode. Now here are some miscellaneous features which I want to tell you about, which I cannot show you in this Android emulator, but which will be coming in the final build of Android 11. So the first one is that there is a new screenshot user interface which Android's been working on for the Android 11. So it will give you a nice small preview on the bottom left corner with 3 options to share, edit or extend the screenshot. So there's another user interface related change which you'll be seeing in the Android 11 is that the music player widget in the notification area will be shifted to the quick settings toggles. So as you can see in this screenshot, that the music player is shifted upwards in the quick settings toggles, so it will give you more room for your notifications. So this next feature is about reverse wireless charging, and as you can see in this screenshot, it's called battery share, and it clearly says that your phone battery will run out faster when using battery share, which clearly means that the phone is reverse charging any other device. So it's a really nice feature if Google's been working on this, and we might see this feature on the upcoming Pixel devices. This next feature is a new kind of smartphone interaction which Google's been working on. What you can do is you can just double tap the back of your Pixel device and create some shortcuts like launch camera or launch assistant. So that was all about the Android 11's new developer preview build. And if you want to know more or have any questions about it, just shoot them in the comment section and I'll get back to you shortly. So that's it for now. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.